Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct this 3D model in Autodesk Inventor sheet metal. We'll construct this bent part in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new. We'll take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select the 2D sketch and we'll select XY plane. Go to rectangle command and here select 2-point center rectangle. Now from this center point make a rectangle. Go to dimensions. The height here will be of 50 and the horizontal will be 100 mm. Okay. Now go to chamfer command and take a chamfer of 30 mm of equal distance both sides. Select these edges and select these two. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude command and here we will take extrude of 50 mm and this will be symmetric and okay. Now select this edge and from here select fillet. Take a fillet of radius 15 mm. Similarly select the second edge. So okay, this will be the profile and apply. Okay. Now select the top face and go to create sketch. Now go to line command and construct a line over here of dimension 80 mm. Escape. Drag this. Now go to coincident. Select this point and select this midpoint. Okay. So we don't want to give the dimension. Now finish sketch and from here we'll go to 3D sketch and go to intersection curve. The curve will be this and the face on which we want to place it will be like this, whole face one by one, and this will be last and okay. So this line is being projected here. Now select this line. Okay, first finish the sketch. Now select this line and turn off the visibility. Okay. Now we will sweep cut on this profile. For that, go to plane. We'll make a plane on this line. Select this point and select this line. Okay. Now select this plane. I'll rotate it. This is the plane. Select this plane. Go to create sketch. Now go to project geometry and select this point. I'll rotate it and select this point. On this point, go to circle command and make a circle of dia 15 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. We will take sweep command and this will be the profile to sweep and this will be the path. Here take cut and okay. Okay. Rotate it. Now go to fillet command and take a radius of 7.5 mm. Okay. And okay. Rotate it and select this edge 7.5 mm and select this edge at 7.5 mm. This will make a round profile over here and apply. Now take a radius of 5 mm and select this outer edge and apply. Okay. Now cancel. Now we will make this a sheet metal part. From here select shell. We will take a shell of thickness 1 mm. Select this face and this side face, this face, this face, and the bottom face. Only the top face will be left unselected and OK. Now to make it a sheet metal part, go to convert to sheet metal and select this face. From here give a thickness of 1 mm, you can write complete 1 mm and apply. OK. Now from here go to unfold, select this face and here click add all bends. It will make it a flat pattern and OK. Now select this face, or you can select this middle face, go to create sketch, rotate it. You don't want this side edge to cut it, go to rectangle command, select 2-point rectangle from this point till here and similarly this point till here. OK. Go to dimension, give this dimension as 2 mm, similarly this dimension as 2 mm. OK. Go to coincident, select this line or first drag it out, coincident, select this line and select this point. Similarly select this point and select this line. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch, go to cut, it will cut this profile and this profile. It will cut up thickness and OK. Now this is a flat face. Now go to corner round and take a radius of 5 mm. Now select the corners one by one, this corner, this corner, this, rotate it and this. OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now I will make the whole profiles. Go to circle command, make a circle here of diagonal 5 we will take, and the dimension from top will be of 7 mm and from this side also 7 mm. OK. Now we will make 2 lines for reference. Go to line command, from this center point make one vertical line, escape, and go to line once again and make a horizontal line, escape. Now select both these lines, OK, and make them construction geometry. OK, this also you can make construction geometry. Now go to mirror command, select this circle to mirror, go to mirror line, this will be the mirror line, apply. Now remain in this command, click on select once again, select both these circles, go to mirror line and select this horizontal line this time, apply and done. OK. Now go to 3D model, go to extrude and make a window here and flip the direction or click on cut and OK. So this is the profile. Now you can assign it a color from here. You can take any. I have taken canary. Now we will refold this. Go to refold, select this face as stationary. This is here the stationary reference A, and here click add all bends and OK. OK. So we are back with this this bend profile. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.